Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very useful utility in OpenShift. It's called OCRSH. So generally, whenever we are trying to log into a remote container or pod in Kubernetes, we use kubectl exec-it command to log into those containers. We can also use this command with OC utility, but I found OCRSH particularly useful because it is a little bit faster and you don't have to type those additional characters. So let me just get the pod that I want to use for today's demonstration. So this is my MongoDB pod that I am going to use for logging into to show you how to use OCRSH. So generally we would run this command OC exec-it, and then we would run type the pod name, then we would type the shell that we want to use for logging in. And if I type this, I am inside the container. Now, on the other hand, if you are trying to use OCRSH, all you have to do is just type OCRSH and the pod name, and you don't have to type exec -it hyphen bash. And if I type bash here, now you can see I'm inside the pod. So instead of running this relatively bigger command, you can just use OCRSH to log into remote pods or containers in OpenShift. Mind you, this doesn't work with kubectl, and I've only used it with OC. I hope you found this tip useful. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.